wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah. And welcome back to Dream Again! It's story time. And today we have a special story because, yes kids, you guessed it, it's time to go back to school soon. And we selected a special first day of school story. So let's read that. Are you ready for school? No? Well, maybe this story will prepare you, okay? The first day of school. Noah and Olivia's friends were starting school. There was a new first grade teacher. Miss Gladstone, who had taught first grade for years, would not be back, and no one knew anything about the new teacher. I hope the new teacher isn't cross, Tony said. I hope the new teacher is pretty, Martha said. I hope she won't make us work too hard, Tom said. I don't want any new friends, Teddy said. But what does that have to do with the new teacher? I don't like school. I don't want new friends at school. No, I don't. Can I just go home? Teddy did not say a word. But then a very pretty lady met them. Teddy remembered her. She had once come to his house and they had talked about the first day of school. Good morning, Teddy, she said. Do you want to meet some new friends? Teddy did not say anything. This is Angelica, Miss Hampel said. And here are Nicholas, Becky, Charles, Tony, Martha, Tom, Noah, and Olivia. But Teddy still didn't say anything. Nicholas smiled and held out his hand to Teddy. He led Teddy to a corner of the room where there were shelves filled with toys. Teddy had never seen so many. Nicholas took a fire truck and Teddy picked out a police car. They raced with them. Sometimes the fire truck won and sometimes the police car won. Teddy liked Nicholas. Teddy was having fun. After a while, Miss Hampel said, Teddy, you and Nicholas can sit here. She gave each child a big sheet of paper and crayons. We're going to start our first lesson and draw some pictures, Miss Hampel told them. Anything you want to draw. The toy you were playing with, an apple, a flower, a balloon, or just something you make up. And then we will learn the words. After they drew their pictures and showed them to one another, Miss Hampel said, and now we will learn the signs and sounds of summer and fall. Summertime is a happy time. Roses bloom in June. Time to cut the grass again. Picnic treats at noon. Fireworks light the sky at night. Insects hum and sing. August days are lazy days. Birds are on the wing. Fun to splash in swimming pools. Watch the busy bee. Ice cream cones are oh so good, just for you and me. Can anybody guess what those signs and sounds are? From which season? Is it summer or fall?
Summer.
Yes, Olivia, that is correct. You did a good job. You will get a star for that.
Yay.
And now, guess this one. Green leaves change to red and gold. Once more the school bells chime. Corn is waiting in the field for farmers' harvest time. Crowds are cheering football games, cider's cold and sweet, and jack-o'-lanterns brightly smile as you say, trick or treat. Thanksgiving holidays arrive, and we can all agree the autumn is a thankful time, just right for you and me. Can you guess which season that is?
Halloween season.
Well, what's another word for Halloween season?
Thanksgiving season.
No, what's another word for Thanksgiving season?
Maybe fall?
Yes, exactly. That is correct. You get another star, Olivia. Well done.
Yay!
Now, kids, it's time to learn about kind words and what it means to having friends. Kind words are just like presents, and this you can believe. They really are much nicer to give them than to receive. And what does having a friend mean, Tommy? Have you learned that? Yes, you are right. Having friends is very special. Having friends is very nice. But to have a friend, you must be a friend. And here is some advice. Share your toys and share your joys and other things to learn. Don't always say, I want my way. Be patient. Wait your turn. Nobody likes a whiner, and no one likes a tease. Good sports and happy smiles are always sure to please. The best rule to remember is the golden one. It's true. You always do to others as you wish they'd do to you. So kids, I think that's all we can learn on our first day back to school. That day, when Teddy's mother came to pick him up, he could not believe it was time to leave. The morning had gone so fast, Teddy brought Nicholas over to his mother. "This is Nicholas," he said. "He's my new friend." Teddy's mother smiled. "Someday you must come home and have lunch with us," she told Nicholas. "I'll ask your mother." On the way home, Teddy said to his mother, "I like school. May I go back tomorrow?" His mother nodded. "And may Nicholas come home with us?" Very soon, his mother said to Nicholas, "I promise." So kids, that was that. That was the story of going back to school. Are you excited to go back to school soon? I know the first day can be scary. It's all new, people you don't know, being away from home, not being with your toys or your friends. But in school you can meet new friends and make new friends. Just like Teddy did. He made a new friend in school with Nicholas. Yep, and you can do that too. So kids, I hope you have a wonderful first day back at school, just like Teddy did. Let us know how it went. Kids, that's it for today. Thanks for listening to our story. And remember, good night, sleep tight, and never forget to dream again. Bye. Bye-bye. See you next week.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!